In the first look series, Beton, not to be confused with Beton with a Beth, which was an old attempt to hook Python code onto the Haiku API. So Beton is a music player, pure and simple. We've got several music players in the repositories, but this one's native. And so very simple, straightforward, the way we like applications in Haiku. Doesn't try to connect you to Spotify or anything like that. So you just have your MP3s in a directory somewhere, you tell it where to look for that directory, and then you play your music. Now, unfortunately, since B screen capture doesn't actually capture audio, you're going to have to take my word for it that the music is playing when I click on it. Also, there's, YouTube and copyright issues. So just take my word for it. When I click on a song in Beton, it starts playing. Okay, let's see how it works.